Hello, hi. Hello, hello everyone.
Hello.
Hi, good morning, afternoon, and evening, everyone. It's an international live stream, so people have different time zones. So everyone is maybe in a different time of today, or maybe yesterday.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Shall we start?
Yeah. So hello everyone. This is Zoe. I'm the co-founder of Wondermaker 3D, and welcome to our live stream channel today. I know it's very early in your day, or maybe it's really, really late. So thank you very much. So I will invite you, the Alan Yang, who is also the owner of the ZR, which is the very early version, maybe 3 or 4 months ago, right?
Yeah.
So welcome to our channel, and you're the partner of our live stream today.
Ooh,
so thank you very much.
It's my pleasure. Thanks for having me. I'm very excited to participate this event, this unpacking event of your new launches.
Yeah. And today we're gonna to be a partner together and show the audience who is Wondermaker and what have we done and what is our products. And maybe we can have some communication with the end users directly, because they're so interested in our products and would like to know more about the details. So of course we will have a very great live today. So firstly, maybe we can start by the introduction about who is Wondermaker, like what are you doing?
Yeah, who's Wondermaker? What are you doing?
So we are actually like a new company. We just set up last year in April, and we're a new company which focusing on R&D, especially because 3D printing is an industry which driven by technology, of course.
Yeah.
So we spend because it's just a startup company, so we spend like 70 to 80% of the cost on the R&D department. So this really a lot of cost on it.
Yeah.
And our team are full of young people who are so passionate about 3D printing, about creating new stuff. So that's some basic information about our company and our team. And yeah, we're quite excited about getting to this new industry, and we're quite excited about these 3 new models.
Yeah.
They're really, really great.
But before anything, I would like to know the reason you enter in this industry. Because as well as we know that it is not it's not a well known or so focused like heat industry.
Yeah.
Right now, but so
yeah, maybe 10
like
years ago. Yeah, I don't know nothing about 3D printing. What is 3D printing? Yeah,
right?
I think that not everyone in our channel know what is 3D printing. So actually, this industry just developed within decades, maybe 20 years, and I was wondering that, oh, this is a new industry and this is not very big industry and it's small, so there will have less competition. So that's why my thoughts from the very beginning. But I'm just too young to naive. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's small, but it's not it is high competition, actually. Yeah,
because we can see the growing need of the society about the 3D printing, right?
Yes, and but this kind of technology is quite interesting. Yeah, most of the young people are so passionate on it, and I noticed that even because we just went to the Formnext in Germany last month, and I noticed there is some small kids, maybe 10 years old. They come to the show and so interested on the new technology and about the 3D printing. So I think this is an industry with a lot of potential. And of course, for me personally, I have like a couple of years experience in this industry. I was in charge of the sales and marketing before, so I know the market very well. And I know what the customers needs, and I know what is the development situation of this industry right now. So I think that's why we start this business last year. Yeah, maybe not a wise option, but we started.
Yeah, but I can tell that you have launched something different, especially the multi heads. Yeah. Can I have the reason why you conducting on that product?
Well, of course, if you were new people, if you're a new company and a new brand, you want to get attention from the others, then you have to bring something new. You have to find a way out, right? So that's why we think that, oh, okay, we cannot do some similar stuff. We cannot do something old or old-fashioned, or some others can copy easily. So that's why, and also combined with the customer requirements and the user pain points, and we found out that there's still a lot of pain points have not been solved in this industry yet, such as the waste of the materials during printing, such as the low efficiency when you print like a multicolor, the speed. And when you print a multicolor model, then it would take maybe days, like several days to print a very small thing. So, and just have some brainstorm, and then maybe, okay, we can bring like industrial level function, but with the commercial grade cost. So make a combination. Maybe it's a good idea.
That seems very good.
Yes. Yeah. And I believe that we can do better, and we can really make it come true. And that's why I'm here. Yeah, because we really did it.
Yeah, so it is a moment to unpack these new things, and it's the part I'm very excited about.
Yeah.
These are the new launches, right? Can you introduce them for us?
Yes. So actually, we have 3 new models here.
Hello.
And yeah, we have 3 new models, and ZR Ultra, and ZR Ultra S. So let me show you. So this is the ZR, who is the single head, but can support 4 different colors printing. And this is the ZR Ultra, which is 4 tool heads, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a grab head, and can support 4 colors printing as well. And this is ZR Ultra S, which is an upgradation of the ZR Ultra, fully enclosed version. We lost the top cover. Top cover is over here. Yeah, it's printed here. Yeah, yeah. This is the top cover, and to make it a fully enclosed version. Yes.
For
just take it.
The temperature control, right?
Yeah, temperature control. So, and it supports more engineering materials like PC, ABS, or ASA, something like that.
Would you like to start from ZR?
Yeah. So ZR, is it open? Is it open right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's just finished the first layer printing. So ZR is a single head, while support 4 colors, because we designed this filament module for multicolor printing, so it can deliver 4 colors filament, and then use this 4-in-1 connector to transfer the 4 colors into one. So each time when you, for example, when you print a red color filament after finish, then the red color filament will go out and the yellow color will go in and keep going. So that's how it's printing 4 colors with one tool head.
Yeah, can I have the temperature and the flow rate of the nozzle?
Oh yes, the temperature of the nozzle is 300 degree, which is quite high for most of the common use filament. And the flow rate is 32, which is compatible, compatible with other similar brands as well. And I have to mention, yes, this is support 4 different sizes of nozzle, like 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8. So you can select different size of nozzle according to your own actual needs.
Yeah.
And also, this is the largest multicolor printer in the market right now. It supports 300 by 300 by 300.
So it's how thick is the plate?
Yeah. Before answering this question, I would like to show you the model which printed by the ZR. So this is a one-time printing. It's an empty ball. It's a moonlight. It's actually moonlight, yes. So it's one-time printing by ZR because it is really quite large.
It's a quite classic model, right?
Yeah, you can put a lamp inside, then it will be a light. Yeah. So the thickness, right? Yeah, the thickness of the plate is 4 millimeters right now. After like thousands of times printing testing, we found that 4 millimeters is quite stable and quite enough for this size big.
And the warm-up temperature will be for the plate?
100, yeah. And we can notice that the total structure is CoreXY. CoreXY can make a high-speed printing more easier, and also it's all metal frame to make the printing stable during like high speed, like 600 millimeters per second.
Yeah, and I can tell that they has quite simple design.
You mean the appearance?
Yeah, the appearance. They are very simple, very functional, right?
Yeah, it's simple but functional.
Yeah, it is very simple.
Yes,
but it's still functional.
Yeah, I know that. You know,
it's
when
not that fancy.
Not fancy, of course. No, you know that it's really hard to balance the cost. You know, we think that 3D printer right now is functional much more important than the appearance. Of course, they are both important. So for ZR, because this is a basic model, so it's a good start. But we can make a better products next, of course. But for an entry-level printer, this is functional. This is like a feature machine. So it's quite good and also a cost-effective option for customers. And yes, I forgot to mention that here is a camera on this right side corner. Camera inside, and also the auxiliary fan is over here. But these two spare parts are optional. So if you need these 2 parts, then you have to buy additionally, except the KS backers, because they're our first buyer, they are first supporters, so they will have an upgradation of these 2 parts without any cost. Yeah. So I would like to show you more about the interface. So here you can check out the plate temperature over here, the nozzle temperature here, and also the light on, light off button over here, and the fan over here. This is a model fan. You can just switch the function manually. And here is the control. And this is the files. You can find out any files you want, and you can select or copy or delete or back. Yeah. History is here. Yeah. And yeah, I would like to show you the camera effect. Of course, firstly, because as I mentioned, that camera is an optional buy-in spare part. So you have to turn it on first. So there's a camera. It's not equipped right now, so you have to select like equipped and open the time lapse function, and then you will see the image here. This is the fluid platform. Yeah. Okay. And for the software, maybe because the ZR is still just finished right now, so we can start another printing. So this is the just finished, the first layer. Yeah, we can. Yeah, can you please just change another print of this? Yeah. So for the ZR Ultra, let's begin. Let's start with the ZR Ultra. Then it is the similar structure with the ZR, but it has an upgrade of the toolhead. So it is 4 toolheads, 1, 2, 3, 4 with the ZR, but it has an upgrade of the toolhead. So it is 4 toolheads, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is a grab head in the front. So each time it changes the filament, then grab it and take it out and put it back and change another one, grab it. So this is how they work. Before, and there is a grab head in the front. So each time it changes the filament, then grab it and take it out and put it back and change another one, grab it. So this is how they work. And here is the filament module. It has like a filament sensor inside. The automatically filament holder. We actually, from the very beginning, the filament was hanging like this. It was hanging like this way. But after like a few months of discussion with the end users, we upgraded to this way because it's more easy, more user-friendly, and more easy to change the filament.
But I have to ask one question that everyone is concerned. How about the waste?
You mean the multi-tool head, the waste, right?
Yeah, the waste.
That's why we made the multi-tool head, because multi-tool head can really realize zero waste, zero material waste.
Zero waste.
Yes. For example, so if you use like single head printer to print multicolor, then you will spend, for example, 100 gram on the model, while you have to spend more than 100 gram on the waste.
Yeah, that's the usual case.
Yeah, that's not
the usual
cost effective as not at all. So with 4 tool head, then each time you want to switch colors, then it will have no waste on the material,
no
because
actual waste.
Yeah, because there is no need to change the colors on one head.
Yeah.
So except the purge tower, of course. Yeah, the purge tower is to make the print better. Yeah.
That's a very great solution for the waste control.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And how about the time that the time of the filament change? Because I can tell that most of sometimes we have to spend a lot of extra time for changing the color, changing the filament. How fast can you achieve?
Yeah, we can make it in 5 seconds. Swap, 5 seconds. Yeah, swap colors for swap the heads.
Oh, because the nozzle temperature will be warmed up in advance, right?
Yes, normally if you choose like other way to for single head way, you have to spend like over 100 seconds to switch colors.
Yeah.
While use multicolor function, then maybe 5 seconds. So it's about 24 times faster.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 王姑，你这个台先打印一个东西。
Well, I have another question.
Yeah.
Will the filament mix together? Will they be mixed together because it's 4 colors, right?
It won't mix together, of course, because each different color have different head. So after maybe we can just start printing on this printer.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
那个张工把这台机启动一下。Yeah, we can show you from the very beginning, like turn on the printer and how to set up. So it's initializing right now. Will take a couple minutes. So here I would like to show you a model which printed by the ZR Ultra. So, oh, please grab that benchy for me. Yes, thank you. Sorry. So this was printed by ZR Ultra, the benchy, and here is the effect. Very smooth surface, and there is no leak on the color change side. And this was printed by this. I won't say it. Yeah, the effect is good as well. A little bit mixed up together.
Audience are asking, this is a training season. Is this a training season?
Training season?
To teach.
Session?
Yeah, session. Sorry, session to teach them how to use your new launcher. Right?
Yeah, it's a part of it. Yeah, we'll show you like it's not professional training session. It's about the introduction and show you more details about the printer. And okay, it's open right now. So we can notice that this is the plate temperature and this is the print head temperature. So each different head will have different temperature. You can set up different temperature on software, so it can be more energy saving, because like 4 tool heads will have more power to use to drive this printer. Yeah. This is not assembled the light yet. Model fan here. Okay. I need someone to help me to start printing on this printer. You have to like match the colors. You have to like match the colors first and start print. Man. Look at the bottom. Oh yeah, so here is a first layer of ZR, which just finished. I need like a longer side. First layer. Okay, so let me check out. Yeah, let's wait for the ZR Ultra. It's just working right now. And for the Zero Ultra S, we have not introduced too much yet. So Zero Ultra S maybe obviously is an upgrade version of the Zero Ultra, but it has a fully enclosed shell, the panel to make it a fully enclosed version, and also it has the same, exactly the same print size with the Zero Ultra, and the rest of the other functions are exactly the same, except that the Zero Ultra S has the camera, has the auxiliary fan, and also there is a 60-degree heated chamber inside. I can show you more detail over here. It's the door open, so there is a HEPA 13 feature, and here is the 60-degree heated chamber. So these are about the differences and about the major functions about 3 models. For ZR is suitable for the buyers who have low budget and who need multicolor model, but not so focused on the printing time, or not so sensitive on the material waste. So it's lower budget for this kind of people. And for the people who are really need higher speed multicolor printing and need like lower waste, then Zero Ultra is the best option. Of course, if you don't need to print some engineering material.
And it speed up. And I think speed up and no waste is the major concern of current market, right?
Yes, yes.
And shall we know any more colors be added in the future?
It depends on the market, actually, because as a technology company, we cannot say that, oh, we will stop here. Of course, it's not right.
Yeah.
Yeah, if the customer needs more colors and the market is growing and growing,
Yeah.
Of course, we will come up with more high-tech functions and high-tech products. But currently, for this year, 4 color is our major product.
Yeah. And can I ask the size of the air filter?
The air filter, I'm actually not quite sure about the size, but as a for the whole design and after testing, this size of air filter is quite enough for the function.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody wants to see how to use the printing application.
Printing application?
Printing application on the phone.
Oh, you mean the app?
Yeah, the app.
The app. Oh, okay. I can show you. I have an app here. Sorry, this is my. Okay, so where is my app? Here. So currently our app is really simple function right now. It's not that okay, after I finish this. You can, yeah. Oh, you have the app already. Okay, that's nice. Filament feed smoothly through the feed tube. You mean the ZR? You mean the ZR filament feeding system, or the multi-tool head? Thank you for liking. Please follow us, subscribe our account so that we will have more live next. The first slide looks awesome. Thank you. we're so proud of the first layer because we have tested not only the products in our company, but also the products from other brands, from other companies as well. And after testing and checking and testing, and we're so proud of the first layer because we're really good at it.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, and here is also a multicolor model. It's not finished printing because we want to show you the how's the inside look like. This is the bottom. Okay, just put it here. Is there someone who can? So the ZR now is printing a multicolor. 书签怎么说I don't know how to say it in English. Sorry. This one, you know it. It's for book.
For book label.
Yeah. So it's printing because it's a single head. So the time would be a little bit longer, but the total time is 16 minutes. And this one is printing ZR Ultra. The multi-toolhead model is printing a benchy right now, and the total printing time is quite slow. After printing, I can show you the benchy effect.
And audience are interested about the actual speed of your machine.
The actual speed?
The color changing speed.
Color changing speed.
See, it's changing.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's 5 seconds swap heads.
Wow, that's impressive.
Bookmark. Yeah, thank you. Bookmark. I learned English right now. Thank you.
Bookmark.
Where did K2 Kevin go? What is that? Oh, okay. TPU filament gets stuck in the tube. Yes, for printing TPU, we suggest you to put the TPU filament directly on the head rather than put it over here because TPU is quite soft. See the app in use? Yes, I'm just trying to show you the app because I didn't connect with the printer yet. 我们 APP 有连上的吗？手机 APP？ OK。Oh, sorry. Thank you for the gifts and for the likes. This is our first time to start the live stream, so we're quite a lack of experience, but maybe next we will be we're doing better.
Yeah, but I can tell that this live stream actually shows a lot of things about your new launches. Especially, I'm very impressed about the changing color process. It's very efficient.
Yeah.
Much more than I expected. I thought it would be a little bit delayed because I know it has in its time to warm up the nozzle, right? Mm-hmm. But it changed in seconds.
Yeah. If you were then an end user, like how much would you pay for this machine?
I don't know, but it's a new thing. I think the price is not that relevant if it's new and it's efficient and it's just fill my needs.
Yeah, because you're rich, you can give a high price.
No, it's because I think it's a game changer. It will change totally my process of creating my model. Mm-hmm. And I know that sometimes especially some design company, some product design company, they need this kind of stuff very urgent because not only the speed, but the color will provide a solution for product design, right?
Yeah. And I noticed that the customers are asking some questions like how to auto feed the automatic machine. How will it hold and feed the TPU? You mean the TPU holder? We actually suggest you to use another filament holder for TPU, especially if you use the TPU printing a lot. You can just make an extra holder on the back or on the side, so you can like print TPU separately. And here is the app. It's connecting with the ZR right now. Yeah, we can move over there. Oh, it's finished. Almost finished. Yeah. So this is connecting with ZR right now, and the temperature of nozzle, temperature of the head, and the fan. This is the process of the printing. You can pause it, you can start it, and the control of the tool head. Yeah. If you need to connect with other printer, just plus over there. Settings. So it's quite simple app to allow you follow up the printing process. Yeah, Google Store app is does the app on Google Store? The app is available on the Apple Store right now, and for
I have to confirm it later.
这个手机 APP 在 Google Store 里面有吗？
还没有。
就刚刚我那个吗？
对，手机 APP。
Google Play 有了。
Google Play。
Google Play， 对，还有 Google Play。
Thank you for the encouragement. The machine are more important than the perfect live stream. Thank you.
Because you're rich.
But you didn't have a price on this printer yet.
Okay.
Yeah, because I know that you're a very beginner in this industry. You don't know how much costs for the other printers as well. So it is quite normal that you don't know.
So I can get it for free.
Yes, for
thank
free.
You very much.
Okay, because
thank you very much.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Everyone join this live stream will get one for free, right?
You dream.
Okay.
So, why I mentioned the price, because as I mentioned from the very beginning that our company is quite new, and Wondermaker is quite new brand. So we have to like find way out. Yeah, how can we survive in this fierce competition world?
Yeah, but I think you did quite well on the R&D process, because I think it's a universal need for solving the waste and the speed, and you did that.
Yes,
that will be a game changer, I think.
Yeah, we aim to be a game changer, and we're trying to be.
And
so
let's have very fair price range.
Yes, of course. Price is important, especially especially currently.
I'm not rich.
You are rich.
I'm not rich.
Because we want to let more and more people have the available on trying 3D printing, on trying multicolor printing.
That's
so so we don't want to name the high price that very few people will have the chance to try this wonderful product.
Yeah.
And we cut a lot of margin or profit something in our company by ourselves. We named the prices really competitive, like 1,000 for the four toolhead model. And for the enclosed version, a little bit higher, but it's under 1,200 as well. And for the single head version, which is under 1,000. Yeah, it's quite large and it can support 4 colors. So on the price, we have tried our best to cut the price down.
Yeah.
And on the function, we tried our best to make it more functional, and we just added so much extra function to fulfill the requirements of the end users.
And it's quite impressive that you have launched it. You can made it within 1 year.
Yeah.
But can I have the actual launch time date of your new product?
Yes. Actually, we actually just our project on I don't know if it's allowed to say it here because the KS just just a remind we just finished this project in May this year. Yeah, and we are now fulfill the orders from on KS platform first. So our estimated shipping date of the KS order is in January, and we're now working on it. After that, because KS backers are the first of our supporters, so we have to fulfill their orders first. And after that, we will prepare the orders for the customers on other platforms like Amazon, like if they buy from the local distributors. Yeah, so would be available maybe because we have to count the shipping time from China to the warehouse in different countries.
Yeah.
Maybe 1 to 2 months later. So these machines would available in different countries in March or April.
March or April.
Yes.
That will be very. Can I be the first one to have it in China?
You're now having it.
This is my machine.
Yeah, this is your
my
machine. Yeah, just try it. Use it.
I can take it.
You cannot take it. You can use it right now.
My
right
machine.
here.
You just said.
Right here. That is your machine. I can make your name Alan Young here. Alan Young Zero Ultra.
Wow. So I can take it home.
You cannot take it home. You can use it here.
Machine.
Stop it.
Okay.
Okay. So are you still on track for early January shipping on the Zero Ultra S? Of course, yes. We're now trying. Yeah. Tool changer of the future. Yes, I agree. I cannot agree with it more. Hello, Flame. Oh, you're the backer. Thank you for trust the plan. Thank you. I love the name. Thank you very much.
What's the challenges you're facing so far?
Challenge?
Yeah, challenges of starting up so far.
Because we're Thank you. 感谢你们进直播间啊！不好意思，今天是国际直播，所以这个中文频道这边就是有点忽略掉了，不好意思。Yeah, I'm just talking with the customers in China TikTok. You just mentioned the challenges, right?
Yeah, the challenges you have faced so far. Because it's a very hard way to start up from nothing to something, right?
Yeah. a lot of challenges actually. Yeah. Actually, how can I say it? To be frankly, challenges more than achievements. I can say that because it is more difficult than I imagined to start a startup company. Mm-hmm. As you can notice that most of our team members are, most of our employees are young people, and young people means
high creativity,
high creativity and the passion and more courage to make new stuff. But young people means less experience. Like I have a great challenge on the management actually. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Management.
Yeah. You know, we're a company is running a company is different than just doing your own work.
Yeah.
So you have to let the other people listen to you and make sure that they're doing the correct thing. They have the correct direction.
Yeah.
So it's quite important for a new company to have a good management.
Yeah.
It's challenge one. And for another part, I think, of course, it's about the technology. It's about the R&D. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 3D printing is, because I am not an engineer, I just know something about marketing, about sales. I know nothing about technology, but after I have this company, I'm like a semi-pro right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I keep learning new things, new stuff, new technology, and I'm trying to understand what people are talking about, what problems they are facing. Mm-hmm. So I have to, make myself be a pro in this industry.
Yeah.
It's about the personal ability and also about the R&D. Making a 3D printer is more difficult than I imagined from the very beginning. I really mean it.
But you really did it very well, especially the new launches, and you have found the need in 1 year. Before 1 year, and your team used 1 year to conduct on it.
Yeah.
And you got results, and it turned out quite well.
Yeah.
And the market has proved it. And the market has proved it because I can tell that you had quite achievement on the different platform.
Thank you, but it is not that. It's just a good start.
You just went back from Germany, right?
Yeah, from Germany. Last month, there is a Formnext exhibition in Germany, which is one of the biggest show in 3D printing industry. And we also brought this two, the Zero Ultra and Zero Ultra S. Yeah, you cannot imagine like how popular they are.
Yeah,
people are insane and they're so crazy. They're so interested in the multi-tool head structure, and especially they're quite big. Yeah, and we have two models, one open frame and one enclosed version. So it was a great trip and it was a great show over there.
And a great encouragement for your process so far. I think you have paid so much effort on it and you learn it.
Yes, exactly. What I'm talking about is that currently we just have a good start. It doesn't mean that we have reached to the destination already. Mm-hmm. Making products, making manufacture is really more difficult.
Yeah,
complex, and we have to balance everything. Balance is really difficult to. You have to balance the cost with the feature. You have to balance the appearance with the function, and also I'm gonna to cry right now.
I can tell that.
Yeah,
but you made it so far, and I can tell that the marketing is giving very good, positive feedback
Yeah, especially actually we are the first to launch the concept of commercial grade multi-head printer worldwide. Yeah, because our project was started in April, but because we're a startup and we do not have a lot of costs on the marketing, on the R&D maybe. So our project a little bit delayed than other competitors.
Yeah.
So that's why we, especially after delays, like we have too much pressure on ourselves.
Yeah.
Because we want to make it quicker.
Yeah.
We want to ship as faster as we can, of course, while we have to do it step by step. Yeah, because we want to make sure the product quality first. As a new brand, quality is always going to the first. Right. Can I have my phone back?
Yeah, and even if the selling place a bit of delayed, I can tell you still have the very huge advantage on your product comparing to others, because the price is very affordable and it's very functional so far. I can tell that, and you forgot to mention the customer service.
Yeah, the customer service.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm sorry, I'm just focused on the comments from the end users.
You're ignoring me.
I'm sorry.
Again.
Come on, I have only one pair of eyes.
Oh, okay.
So one here, one here.
Please do that.
Okay,
Yeah.
maybe I can answer the questions first. Printing anything, Ultra S is working right now. We just, please, we're the first time, so all of them are not good at how to running a live stream here.
Yeah,
So they're like panic. Everyone is panic right now.
We'll do better next time. No worry. It's good enough to show the machine.
Good. Yep. Are you willing to talk about the beta testing issue, even briefly? I understand if you prefer no. Oh yeah, you mean the questions they raised up by the beta team, right? Or the issue about the cooperation? Just join by the come on, Flame. You have to go to work or you have to go to bed. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. 3D Move PL. The beta questions. Yeah, about the. Let me check out what have they talking about. Off to bed. Okay. Have a nice dream. Good night. Good night. Go to work. Okay. Fighting.
Thank you very much.
Next one. Okay, sure. Oh, I forgot a really, really important model, which is multi-material printing by ZL Ultra S. Friend, everyone, here it is. ZL Ultra S. I can go here. Yeah. This is a. Grab it for me. Thank you. Yeah, this is a multi-material and multi-color printing by ZL Ultra S. So here is the TPU and PLA and the PTG as a support. Okay, take it. This is the purge tower. So this is PTG support. Can just remove it. It's quite clean. And TPU and PLA.
Nice, thank you.
So TPU on this side? 这 TPU 吗？黑色 TPU. Okay, black is TPU. And pink are the PLA. Multi-material combination printing, that's impressive. Yeah, PTG, I just mentioned. PTG as support. PTG as support. 这边这边也展示一下，有人吗？有人。OK，I just 中国的朋友们啊，这个PLA 是粉色的，然后 TPU 是黑色的，这是一个多材料结合打印，然后这个蓝色的是 PTG 做支撑的，刚刚是这样子打出来的。
有点新疆口音了。
真的吗？
对。
OK。I'm just mix up of the languages. Where's my phone? Thank you. That's clean. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Okay.
Customer service.
Customer service. Yes.
Yeah.
The printers are 1 year warranty, of course, which is common knowledge in this industry, but we provide 2 years 2 years warranty for European Union countries, and also you can find out you can get help from our international after sales support team. They will answer you by email within 24 hours.
Within 24 hours.
Yeah, but if you did not get any reply, maybe because your mail went into the junk mail. So I just mentioned.
You will double check it, right?
Yeah, we will double check it. Yeah. For the what other comments right now? Nice.
They say it's a
good one. Very nice. Thank you. Blue interface layer. Yes. Clean breakup. Spare part. Yeah, the spare part. Because is it allowed to say here? Because we do not do the direct sale currently, because we're a smart company, and we want to make the sales step by step. So we work with the local distributors, which is very experienced in their market, and they have very mature sales channel, and they know the local customer needs very well. So we work with them. So we sell the printers in bulk to their warehouse first, and they will sell to end users. Yeah. So we do not do direct sell. So if you need to buy some spare parts, so you can buy it from local distributors as well. For the US, because we're now working with the store on Amazon right now, so you can get the spares on Amazon from the Wondermaker store.
Would you like to publish the local distributor later on
our website?
Yeah, on the website.
Yes. We're now are still have communicating with more and more distributors worldwide. So once they confirmed, we will upgrade to our website.
Yeah.
Maybe
depends on different area. Yeah. With different distributor, and you will know that in the following notification, right?
Yeah, all of this distributor information will be on public in our website.
Yeah.
And as I mentioned, that we have to fulfill the orders of KS backers first. Yeah. After that, we can prepare the production and shipment for the distributors.
Yeah.
So the distributors will have something to sell in March. Yeah. So
that will be the planned date.
Yeah, for the time schedule.
Yeah. Anything else you want to talk about?
I purchased multi-pile, like a lot of extra heads. What they ship with the other or after the machine. Are you the backer? Are you the backer on KS? I think so. Yes, you are the backer. 100 watts. Yes. Yeah. You mean you have ordered a lot of hot ends, right? A lot of different sizes hot end. Yeah, the hot ends and the spare parts you ordered on KS will ship with the printers together. All of the spare parts you order on KS platform will ship with the printers together. If the printer is have no more space to fill all the spare parts inside, then the spare parts will be shipped separately. But we will ship all of the KS orders in one time, batch by batch, of course. Okay, thank you very much. 8 additional hot ends of each side.
I think that's all about today's lecture. Anything else you want to talk about?
Anything else? I think that's maybe, yeah, I just remember that someone is asking about the beta team questions. I'm trying to find out.
Okay. 切片软件你要讲什么？
Yeah, for the beta team, yeah, we have a conclusion about the questions that beta have reported to us, and I'm going to show you one by one. So, for most of them are actually mentioned in our for the change of the replacement of the hot end, 王工，换一次热端要多久啊？ Okay, guys, do you want to see how to change the hot end on ZR? Why you don't put some colors in printer? They look like a bit boring. What printer? What colors in printer?
Printers have color.
Ah, you mean the design?
Design all black. They want to have something green.
Yeah, the color. You know what color is? You know, how to say it? Different person we may have different taste on colors, right? So if we like design so many colors, then we'll have some people will ask like, why you put so many colors on the printer? Why you don't just select one? So there's there's no perfect answer actually.
But you want to keep it simple at first, and maybe there will be some different design in future, right?
Sure. So here the ZR just finished printing of a simple bookmark. I'm a good learner. 帮我取下来一下。Yeah, so here it is, just 60 minutes for the bookmark. On the back. It's quite clean, and just check out the Wondermaker words. They're really, really clean. Yeah, thank you. You love all the black. Okay, appreciate. It's still working. The benchy is printing as well. Come, take the camera here. Look at the benchy. And you have to notice that there is no waste. There is no waste in the whole room here. You see? Check the inside. There is no waste. No waste. No waste. No waste. Okay, just put it here. Thank you.
Pity yourself.
0.4， 这是0.4的喷嘴吗 ？Yes, 0.4 nozzle. And I didn't mention that all of the printers are Klipper based and open source. So because as a startup company, we noticed that open source is quite important for makers, so that you will have more space and ability to do some adjustments on yourself. So we follow the Klipper. And the SSH, which you mentioned, maybe some of them are caring about the access. We are open, of course, and you can contact with us, with our tech department, to get the SSH access. And for the CAD files, I noticed that there is I don't know who it is asking about the CAD files of the printer. Of course not. CAD files of the printer is like the whole design of the printer is
not for provide.
It's personal. Yeah.
It's a company secret.
It's company's welfare.
Welfare. You can buy us to know that.
You can buy our company.
You can buy the company.
Buy our company.
That. Yeah, that's possible. Not possible.
Yeah, it's possible.
Not impossible.
Stop it. Okay. For I think most of the questions already been answered.
Mm-hmm. Is there any question you would like to know? Please type it up on the comment part. Would like to answer it today.
Yeah, for the expanding more colors in the future, I actually want to know more about your real needs on the multicolor models. Like how many colors do you usually use for one print? Yeah. Like 4? Does 4 match with your most of the models already, or you need more, like 6, like 8, or there is no limitation on the colors?
No limitation on the colors.
Maybe, just imagine it. Yeah. What is your most commonly used color?
We have to understand the real need of the market.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise there will be just no actual use, right? They have to pay more effort on the conducting, but they not really work. We need something really works.
If you have some ideas about expanding more colors, like how many colors exactly?
Yeah.
Because we have to make a final decision on the next generation. Like how many heads do we need on the next product?
Any other function you want Wondermaker to add on their next product? Please let us know.
16 now. 16, but 16 toolhead.
16 toolhead.
But do you need to print 16 colors normally, or it's just like
what's the
real
point? Yeah.
What's the real application for 16 colors? That's important, because as I mentioned, that balance is really important. Yeah. Balance the function and the cost. If 16 colors,
have you ever consider customize the filament part in the future?
Customize filament part?
Yeah, maybe some people need 2 colors, some people need 4 colors, some people need 100 colors. How would you like to consider about that part?
100, of course not.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, we're thinking about the upgrade version of the toolhead. Mm-hmm. Like maybe we can design a basic model with 1 or 2 toolhead, but you can buy extra heads extrally. Yeah, like you can upgrade it to 4 or 6 or 8.
Yeah.
So the question is 6 or 8 or 16.
How many
number is really.
How many do we need?
Really important.
Yeah.
Which models are stored on the Zero Ultra for the initial test? 目前我们首个打印模型是放了哪个文件？就是首个文件，就是默认打印文件是哪个？是什么？The ZR is the bookmark we just show you for the initial test. 8 would be a sweet spot, but even 6 would be nice. Okay, that's a very, very good answer. Thank you very much. Okay, you said 8 would be perfect, but 6 is enough. Okay, we'll do it because no one else, there's no one else is having different answer. So
that's the direction.
Printing model color of the box for test at home.
Any other questions?
虫虫在吗？这个，这个，
这个是个特定名词。
OK。Okay. So, do you have more questions?
Let us know.
About the about the line design? Line design. The cables or wires design. Yeah, there is, as I mentioned, that there is no perfect product, so we do have a lot of parts need to be upgraded. Of course, we won't stop here. So yes. And for the screws, that we will upgrade all the screw into one type.
Yeah.
看一下还有什么其他的问题没有？那个小李，你把你国内有人看吗？你们俩的镜头都摆到这前面来吧。
2个人在看，国内。
你就对着他拍，他对着他拍，对，都对着他拍好了。
镜头拉小一点。
要拍到船呢，可以调矮一点。
再矮一点吧，再矮一点。哎，这样可以。
About the lock of the toolhead, I just noticed that. So each time it's printing. During the printing process, all of the heads are locked. So we already a customer just raised up this question on FormNext last month, and he noticed that the tool head, when one head is working, the rest of others are not locked.
Yeah.
So it may be fall out. So we upgrade by software. So now during the printing process, all the rest of other tool heads will be locked, cannot be removed.
Got it.
And for the test width, Accomplished. Yeah, I mentioned there is another question about the tests we've already finished on Discord earlier this week, and all of the tests we already finished, and they're all passed. But because that we are upgrade the printers batch by batch, so each time we upgrade the printer, we will make the whole test again. So to make sure that the latest version have already passed all of the tests.
You can live stream 24/7, just showing the printing process.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Printing, changing toolhead. You really love it. You really love it.
Next level, you know. Next level of frequency.
Thank you for the stream. Yeah, it's what we should be. We should be starting this live earlier. Yeah, I have to say thank you to all of you as well. Without your help, without your feedback, without your support on the early stage, we cannot make it right here. Yeah.
Right.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm just
emotional.
There are too much light. There are too much light in the room, so yeah. I'm almost blind.
When the machine arrived in Europe.
The machine arrived in Europe. You mean the KS Becker? KS Becker
Not KS Becker, but the map.
Will ship the KS order in January, while for the rest of other orders will be available in March or in April.
March or April?
Yeah. Maybe faster. Yeah, because we have a Spring Festival in China. Yeah, we're trying to ship the first batch before our Spring Festival holiday, so that you will receive it early March. Got number 1 gift through batch. If several materials can be used in one print buys, yes, you have very good taste. That's how we make solutions on multi-material printing. Thank you for your gift and likes. Thank you very much. Is there anyone following us? Alan.
你还有什么要？
没有啊，就是要结尾了，可能。
Okay.
但他们可能舍不得走哎。
Fascinating.
现在几点？2:18。
你要放一段那个新闻联播那个，然后要收拾一下，抖一下那个纸。差不多了吧？
嗯哼。 Can be the ZR upgrade to Ultra? No, sorry. They're different models. Even though they have the similar structure, but they have a little bit adjustments on the size to fulfill 4 extruders in on the rail. So you cannot upgrade ZR to ZR Ultra by buying extra heads. Yeah. Thank you very much. It's really late. It's midnight in US, and maybe 苗苗调整一下镜头，我们要结尾了。Yes. So. Thank you. What are the main communication ports? What is that?
So
you don't want to attend and miss you at What other shows? We're just thinking maybe we can go to the TCT in US, which is also a very big show in the 3D printing industry, but yeah, I have not decided yet. Okay, guys, so is it possible to change the size of the material spools? To change it to what? Currently, the material spools are, you mean the ZR Ultra? It's already been upgraded to the automatic one. Wrap. Mountain wrap. From right to left? I don't think so. But because we do not have extra holes on the right side. Oh, there is. Oh yeah, no, I don't think so. Because on the right side there is an extra, how to say it? This is how to call it in English. Extra rail to hold the tool, the tool spool holders, while the left side doesn't have it. But you can put 2 rows here, while 2 rows here. But the filament module is on this side, so I don't think it's possible.
The bar for the holders, right?
这个画面好像就是说，好像是不太对劲。
Yeah. Wrap it up.
I just noticed that okay, so I think all of the major contents are already finished, and we can have some small chat for the manufacturing and for the design. I think there's no perfect solution, and we're trying to make it as best as we can, while it takes time, of course. And why we delay is also another major reason is because we're upgrading because we want to listen to customers. We want to realize their requirements in real. So once we see a simply feedback that which we can upgrade, then we will do it. So that's why we have to postpone the timeline continuously. But I'm sorry, yeah. But we're trying our best. From now on, just make sure that the quality is the first. Yeah.
You have to make it stable and make it as possible, as perfect as possible, right?
Yeah, and for
you have to provide the customers the stable and an ideal model.
There's no ideal model. There's no ideal model in the market. Even,
but I think they are. They are right now. They are something else. I can tell that. It's.
No, let's be honest and be modest.
I love it. I love it. I have to have it.
You just want a free one. I got it.
I didn't say that.
I got it. Okay. So I just noticed a very interesting question on Discord, that how do we compare to other well-known company in this industry? Like, what would we say Wondermaker is most similar to? So this is a very interesting question, and I didn't actually think about it. Thought-provoking question. Actually, let's say let's imagine the 3D printing as like a climbing mountain game, that some of the brands already somehow in the middle, or some of them already on the top, and maybe, for example, like MakerBot from the US, they are the first one to realize the desktop 3D printer. So they have started the possibility that everyone can actually have one 3D printer. Like Prusa, who is a European brand. He is the first one to make full use of the open source system, and so that everyone, no matter whom, a lot of makers can make sacrifice and have some good ideas to upgrade the printers. So these two are the major achievements of these two companies and brands. While Wondermaker, we're now standing actually at the shoulder of the giants, and we're not in the same age, we're not at the same time. We even not get into this game at the same season. So I would say that there is no similar company who that Wondermaker can be compared with, because every company is different and has its own advantage and own growing path. While for Wondermaker, we think that our advantage is about communicate with customers. Yeah, we want to go from the customers and make the products they really want, other than make the products we want. Yeah, we listen to customers and we try our best to realize their requirements on the products, to make sure that the products is functional for their daily application. And it's not about the comparison on the company or on the technology. It's about the comparison on the creativity. Yeah.
To fulfill the needs.
Yeah.
Of market. Step on the ground and understand the need of the market.
Yes.
That's your marketing strategy, right? I think that's all we need to show today. Anything else you want to talk about with our audience?
Yes, exactly. I think that you're right. Yes. Okay, I think that's enough for today's introduction. Because this two prints. Oh, maybe we can wait until the bench is over. Okay. Let me check out the. Bring the camera. Come to front. Yes, thank you. It's almost finished.
4 minutes away.
Yeah.
好了。要不要抽个奖？
抽奖怎么抽啊？
抽奖说，参与我们直播间的送他一台机器。
这一共15个人，那中奖概率可太高了。
那我可以参与吗？
不行。It's almost finished. Like 3 minutes left. 3 minutes to go. We're about to end. Next time, I really like talking to people directly on live stream. How do you think?
I think it's a very good way to understand their really needs.
Yeah, and they will have chance to get to know us directly.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is really important.
Do that more often.
More often?
More often, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe one time a day.
1 time a day. You have to come to our company every day. Okay?
Me?
Yeah.
Me? Why?
You're my partner.
Then can I have a Via Ultra F?
Quick tool change. Yes, exactly. Thank you. It's about to, 2 minutes left. Almost done. Great. I'm really excited for today's effort. Thank you very much, Ellen Yang.
Thank you very much.
Thanks
for having me.
Thank you. Come every day so we can start this live every single day. Okay?
Pay me.
Yeah, you have the printer already.
But I cannot take it.
You can use it every single day here, right?
Then you have to pay me.
All of the materials are free for you.
That.
Yeah, thank you.
I'll consider that.
You're very generous. I am very generous as well.
Oh, okay. Of course you are.
Finish?
No.
Not yet. Finished, buddy. Speed up.
它还有3层要打了。
So please follow our account.
Channel.
Follow our channel. Subscribe. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Subscribe the channel. So we will have some other live stream next. More often.
You will know it.
Yeah.
Next time.
Next time I want to show you something new.
And you can see the upgrades, anything new on our channel.
你把国内的镜头挡完了。
我吗？
已经结束了是吧
？OK， 好的。
OK，
可以。没关系，就先放着吧。
Your channel also have almost the same people. You should use next time as well.
Okay, thanks for having me. She has to pay,
yeah, can we have
pay
some?
Me, you know?
Can we have some new followers next?
You should supporters. Have same supporter next time.
What?
好了 ，down 没有 down 吗？但它都动了一下，它是不是歪的
？Sorry, please. 这个船太 ，Yeah, come here. 这个船刚刚this benchy just the bed just lost 张光刚刚这个船 yeah the bed is not sticky enough. We forgot to have we forgot to put the glue on it. Yeah, so here. Yeah, thank you very much. 但是他刚刚打着打着没站牢，跳起来了。Yeah. 手机放这里吧，放前面一点。我们结尾不要再讲。Okay, so I think that's enough for today.
That's all for today.
Kickstarter update post. You should mention the when and where of the live stream planned. Okay. Okay, so still have 17 people over there. Some of you are in the morning, some of them are really late, midnight. So I would say goodbye for now, and looking forward to see you very soon. So next time I will show you something new about the Zero Ultra S and the Zero Ultra, because apparently you're more interested in the multi-tool head models. So next time I will show you more new functions on these two models. Okay, so guys, I'm very happy and very excited to talk with you today.